Hi beaders, this is a neck piece that I'm making today. It's Tuesday and I'm expected to finish it by the end of this week. It's the 16th today, so I'm expected to finish this week. So yeah, and it's not easy to finish because I have to count beads. This is what I'm making. I'll show you when I'm done. So this is a neck piece because she ordered 3 things: this body piece, a bundle, and a headband, right? So I also used netting method. This is netting method. This is netting method. That's why I emphasize on netting method. If you are new to beading, please learn this stitch because it's quicker and you can make anything with this stitch. Please learn this, and then other methods you learn along the way. Okay, please learn this. So my glasses are broken. I need to get new ones from Discam or Exclusive Books. I got this from Exclusive Books for 113. I think at Discam they are between 100 to 150. So you can get this for yourselves at Discam. And please don't do beads without glasses. Protect your eyes. So I'm making a rope neck piece. I don't know how to call it in Zulu, this neck piece. Please help me in the comment section how you call it in Zulu or Xhosa. Guys, if you are making this neck piece, please don't use a plastic rope. You see, that is a plastic rope because your neck piece won't last. You can use that only if you are still learning, but if you are making it to sell, don't use a plastic rope to make this kind of neck piece. Use a cotton rope like that because it will make your neck piece stronger. Not this one, not the plastic one. You see this one that I'm making, see the difference. I use a cotton rope. I use that rope and then I cover it with a white fabric. Please use this one. Now this is my client's neck piece. She asked me to fix it. So what I'm going to do is to remove that plastic rope and put a cotton rope. I will remove that one because it's not good at all. But this one, look the difference between the one that I'm making and the one that my client gave me to fix. So this is a size 8 bead. This is a size 11 beads. For this neck piece, please use a size 11. Look, this is another neck piece that I got from a client. She also asked me to fix it. Look. The beads are not nice, but they are okay. If you are still learning, you can use those beads. But I love quality, so I don't use those beads to make my clients' orders. But you can use it if you are still learning. This is a size 11 beads. I use a size 11. This neck piece is nice when you are using a size 11, not size 8, because size 8 is bigger than these ones. So guys, please, and you see these beads are low. The quality is not good. Look, the color is fading. Color is fading. So guys, remember I said if you are new, if you are still learning how to bead, please start with this method. I recommend this method first, because once you know this method, this is a netting method. Once you know this method, you can do anything. You can make a beaded set for his and hers, right? So this is very important, because I said you can do a headband, bracelets, body, beaded pieces, vest, belt with this method. Please learn this method. If you are a new beader, start with this method. You see? So now I'm going to make a bangle. This is a wooden bangle that I got from town. So I covered it with this black fabric, this black material. I covered it with this so that I can put these beads around. Okay, you see? Okay, so I just want you to watch me while I put this around. Ne? I'm going to close this part first. I'm going to close this part, okay? So I need red beads to close this part. So to close this part, I pick 2 beads and then connect it this side. Pick 1 bead. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I hope you can see, but if you can't see, then I'll have to make another video. Pick 1 bead again and connect this side. Pick 1 bead until you finish closing. So I pick 2 beads as my last beads. Yeah? Okay. Ndiyagqiba ke ngoku. Uyabona? Then I have to cut this thread now, but first I have to make a knot somewhere here. Have to make a knot first, then I'll cut it. You see? I have seen people burning this thread. Please don't burn this thread. Don't burn the thread. You must cut it, because if you burn it, it's going to cause skin irritation. Ne? Please don't burn this. You can just cut it like that. Ne? Okay, now we are going to fit it on this bangle. We'll see if it fits, but I want to use a black thread, because my fabric is black here, so this is how it looks. So I'm gonna attach it here. I'm going to use a thread to, I'm not sure if it's big, but it looks okay. It looks good. Hi beaters, this is a complete set of what I was doing. It's Tuesday, the 23rd of July. This is what I was doing. It's ready. Now I'm going to PostNet to courier this to my client. She lives in the Eastern Cape. She's going to use this on Saturday. I think PostNet takes 2 to 3 days. So she might get it on Thursday or Friday. To those who are new to the channel, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Fikiswa. I do beadwork. So if you love my work, please subscribe, like and share. And thank you so much for supporting. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your support on this channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.